Hey everyone, in this video you will learn how you can collect form responses into your Microsoft Excel worksheet and at the same time receive a notification message about that form submission on your WhatsApp automatically. So guys, you can make this happen by setting up an automation between your form, your Microsoft Excel and WhatsApp application, and the flow of this automation is going to look like this. As and when you are going to receive a submission, the data will be added in Microsoft Excel and you will receive a message on WhatsApp. And guys, you can set up this automation very easily without any coding skills using Pabbly Connect, which is an integration and automation tool. You just have to connect your form building application as the trigger application and Microsoft Excel and WhatsApp as the action applications in the automation workflow. Let me show you how you can do this. So guys, first of all, you need to reach here on this link pabbly.com/connect. We have pasted the same link in the description as well. From here guys, you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this sign up free button, and you will get free automation tasks to set up your automation. So you can sign up right now and then log in to reach here on the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you have to create a workflow of automation. So just click on this create workflow button, and here you can give a suitable name to this workflow. So I'm giving the name here as collect form responses into MS Excel sheet. Okay, so after giving the name, you just have to click on this create button and you can see your workflow page started loading up here. And here you will find the trigger and action modules. So here you have to connect the trigger application in the trigger section and the action applications here. So in our use case, the trigger application is the form building application. Okay, so I am using jot form application here to create a form. In place of jot form, you can use any other form building application. We have many integrations available here. You can use Google Forms, jot forms, type form, paper form, and or any other. Okay, so right now you just have to search for jot form and select it, and now it is asking for the trigger event. So the trigger event is that event which is going to trigger this workflow, start this workflow. So here you can see it is showing when this happens. That means when the trigger event happens, action will make Pabbly Connect perform any action. So it is saying do this. Okay, this is how it is going to work. So our trigger event would be a new response captured from the form submission. So select this, and now it is asking for the actually it is showing us the webhook URL. So with the help of this URL, we are going to make a connection with our form building application, and after that we are going to capture the response of that webhook connection. Okay, so let me show you. You just have to open your form builder. You can read the instructions written here and do the same. I'm just showing you directly. Here you can see this is my form I have created for a purpose. Let me show you. This is actually a order form for customized product printing. Okay, and here in this form, when you click on more option, you will find this settings. Click on settings, and this is the settings page. Under settings page, you will find this integrations tab from the left hand side panel. Click on it, and here you will find webhooks section. Click on webhooks, and here you can see an integration is already up and running here. Let me remove this integration. All right, so here you have to search for webhooks, and it will show you this add webhook field. Here you have to paste this webhook URL. So just click on copy from here and go back to the form settings and paste the webhook URL here like this. So you have to remove this HTTP address, the extra thing. All right, now click on complete integration, and you can see the integration is ready. Now click on finish. Right, so we are done connecting the form, and here you can see as I have clicked on this copy button here, it started showing waiting for the webhooks response. So this means now we have to perform a test submission. Test submission means now we are going to manually fill our order form, and the data of that form submission will be captured here as the test data. So with the help of that data, we are going to move forward, right? So this is the order form I have created. Let me fill in the details of any demo customer. So let the name of the demo customer is demo only. Last name is customer. And this is, I'm putting any random phone number. This is not an original one. And this is a dummy email address. Okay, here are the products that people can customize from our shop. So I'm selecting mug, and here I want to print welcome on the mug. Here let me fill in the address details. All right, and here the date of delivery, I want to be delivered on 27th. Okay, and here I'm clicking on submit, and you can see the form is submitted. Let's see in our workflow if we got the date of that form submission. And here you can see in this response, we got the form submission details as this. This is the first name of the customer, the last name, the phone number, the email, and the total amount. And here you can see the address details and all other details. So this is how it is going to collect the test details. Now guys, I want to send the date of the form submission into an Excel sheet I have created. Here you can see this is my Microsoft Excel worksheet live application, website application, and this is a live sheet I have created. Okay, and here I want to collect the details like this, the name, the WhatsApp number, and all other things. Now to collect the details here, we need to connect Microsoft Excel application in the actions tab. So search for Microsoft Excel. Here it is selected. Then select the action event as add row to worksheet. Okay. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection option. Then click on connect with MS Excel. And from this window, it will ask to give some permissions to Pabbly Connect. So from here, click on yes. All right. And you can see the authorization is getting successful and we are getting connected. And this connection that you're making by selecting add new connection is going to be saved in your account. Okay. So here you can see we are connected, and here it is asking to select the workbook. So my workbook's name is order form responses. Okay. So let me click here and it will show you the workbooks list. Here my workbook is there, order form responses. I'm selecting it. And now it will ask for the worksheet's name. So it is auto selected the worksheet, as I have already one worksheet here named as sheet 1, and it got captured here. Okay, right. And now it is asking for the column details. So we have all these column headers. You can see name, WhatsApp numbers, email address, products, text, address details, and this. So it all the fields are appearing here. So to fill the data here in the rows of the columns, you have to map the data. You have to map the test data that you have received here in the first step. So guys, to map the data here, you just have to click here on this field like this. Okay, and it will show you the previous step or the trigger step in the drop down. And when you click here, it will show you all the data that you have received in the first step only, in the trigger only. So from here, let me map the name label first. And let me map the full name, the first and the last name. Now it is asking for the WhatsApp number. Let's see if we got the number. This is the number. Okay. Email address. Product's name. All the things you will find in the first trigger step only. Okay. Now it is asking for the text. So here you will find the text label, map it. And similarly, you can map the date from the trigger only. And here you will find, you can see we have month, day, and year separately in 3 labels. So I'm going to map all 3 labels here. So first of all, let me map the month and let me put a dash in between so it will look good. and then date, and then year. Alright, so you can see we are done mapping the whole data here. And when you map the data, what will happen whenever you are going to receive a form submission after setting up this automation, the labels are going to be updated and new data will be delivered here, will be sent here in your Excel sheet automatically. Okay, so right now we have one row here. Let us check our connection with our Excel sheet. We have this save and send test request button, so I'm going to click here and the data will be sent to your spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm clicking on save and send test request. Alright, so this is the response we have received here. Let's check in my Excel sheet if we got the data in a new row. So it is not showing up here. Let me refresh my sheet. And here you can see we got the data added here automatically. Here it is showing the name of the customer as demo customer, the number, the address, the product is mug, text, all the things are here. You can see even the date is here. So this is how it is going to work, guys, and we are done connecting the Excel sheet. Now guys, you also want that message will be received in your WhatsApp about this form submission, right? For that to happen, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up. Here we are going to connect with WhatsApp. And to connect with WhatsApp, we need to have the access of WhatsApp's API or application programming interface. And to get that access, we are going to use WhatsApp's own cloud API platform. So guys, before connecting the cloud API here, first of all, you need to connect your number, your business number with the cloud API itself. So if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description, guys. We have a dedicated video on how to use WhatsApp cloud API and how to connect your number with that. So you can watch that video, follow the video, and after that you just have to search here WhatsApp's cloud API and you have to select it from here. And then you have to select the action event as send template message, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection if you're making the connection with the cloud API for the very first time, and you can rename this connection as well, and this connection is going to be saved in your account. Okay, now it is asking for the permanent access token of the cloud API setup, the phone number ID and the business account ID details. So if you want to know more about these things, you can just click here. You can see it is written enter the system generated permanent token as explained here. So when you click here on this here word, you will reach the forum page, and here you will find the videos on how to set up the cloud API inside Pabbly Connect, how to generate the permanent access token, and here we have the written instructions along with screenshots to connect with the cloud API in the trigger and in the action steps. Okay, so you can just follow the instructions from here, and let me show you how you can find where you can find these things in your cloud API setup. So if you have your cloud API setup like this, I am under WhatsApp's getting started page. You will find a temporary access token first. So first they provide you temporary tokens, but these tokens expires in 24 hours, so you need to generate a permanent one. And if you want to know how to do that, you can watch the video from the description or from this forum page where you can see how to generate the permanent token and get it. Right, and after getting the token generated, you have to keep it safe because we are going to use the same token afterwards also in future. And after getting the token, you have to just copy it and paste it here. Similarly, you will find the phone number ID here. You can just copy it and paste it here like this. And you will find the business account ID here. You can just copy it and paste it here like this. And after filling all the things, you just have to click on save and you will be connected with the cloud API setup, and this connection will be saved in your account. So in future, if you want to make the connection again with the cloud API, you can use the same saved connection that you already have. For that, you can see we have this existing connection option for using the saved connections. So let me show you. I am selecting existing connection option, and here you can see it is asking to select the connections. So we have many connections already present here, saved here. So from this list, you can select any of your existing connection, like I am selecting this one. Okay, and now you just have to click on save and you will be connected again. No need to fill all the data. Okay, you can see we are connected, and here it is asking for the templates name. So guys, to send messages on WhatsApp directly, you need to create some message templates beforehand. So message templates are the pre-created approved message structures by which you can send messages on WhatsApp. So for this purpose, I have created message templates. Let me show you. You can see, to create your own message template, click here. So when you click on this here word, you will reach the message template section. So these are the approved message templates I have, and the one we are using is this one. Let me show you. So guys, this is a message template we are using. Form submission received is the name of this template, and here you can see the preview of the message is going to look like this. Here it is showing hi Roger. Roger is just a sample name. We have a new request on our form. Details are given below. Okay, so this is how it is going to appear to you on your WhatsApp whenever you are going to receive a form submission. And here you can see in the body of the template where we have written the text, here we have put 1 in double curly braces, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So this means we have 4 variable tags or body fields in our message. So with the help of these body fields, we can change a few things in every new message we are sending, like the name of the person, the customer's details. So these are the things which are going to change with every new message. So you need to place these body fields here properly. So if you want to know how to create such a template, you can watch the video from the description. We have clearly explained everything about the template creation and approval. Okay. So after getting the template created, you have to select it from here. The name of my template was form submission received. Okay. As you select your template, here it will show you the body fields. Okay, and here it is asking for the recipient mobile number. So here I am going to put my WhatsApp number just to show you the demo how the message is going to appear. You have to put your WhatsApp number here in this format with a country code. 91 is for India. You have to put yours and without any plus sign. Okay, so let us just let me first fill the body fields. Okay, so to get the body fields change with every new message dynamically, you have to map the values of the body fields here. So let us map the data from the first step only, from the trigger only. First body field is for the name of the customer. So I am mapping the name here. Let me map the full name. Then here let us check what is that we need to place here on the second. Okay, new request on your. Okay, so here let me put the form's name as, whatever was my form's name, customer product printing form. So I am just using one form here, so I am putting the name of the form here manually, product printing form. Okay, so or you can just map the. Okay, so we have the form title received in the trigger step, so let me map it. So guys, the things you are putting here manually are going to remain static. So when you map the labels, then only the labels are going to be updated. So let us check the third body field, what we have in the third field. Okay, name, email and mobile number of the customer. So we are going to map it from. Okay, right now. Okay, so actually I have mapped the wrong details here. First body field is for you. You can read the message here, hi, and after hi, you should place your name. Okay, because this message is for you or for the person to whom you're sending the message. We have different body field for the customer's name, so I'm putting the name here. I'm just putting my name just to show you the demo. Okay, and these are the body fields, the third, fourth and fifth for the customer details. So here let me map the customer details. Fourth body field is for the email address of the customer, and fifth body field is for the phone number. Right, so we are done mapping the data. Now you can check your connection with WhatsApp by clicking on save and send test request, and you will receive a new WhatsApp message. So here I am going to put my WhatsApp number, guys, just to show you the demo, and let's see what we receive on WhatsApp. So guys, I have clicked on save and send test request, and this is a new message we have received just right now. You can see a new message we have received on my WhatsApp, and the message is this. You can see here it is showing, hi Akib, we have a new request on our customer product printing form. The details are given below. Name is demo customer, email address, phone number. So this is how it is going to work, guys. We are done setting up this automation and our connections are working fine. And you have to set up this automation only once, guys. After that, you don't have to do anything manually in the workflow. After that, as and when any person is going to fill and submit your form, this workflow, this automation is going to run in the background, and you will receive the data directly here on your MS Excel worksheet automatically, and you also receive a notification message on WhatsApp automatically. And guys, if you want to use this workflow, you can use it. I'm going to paste this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly.
Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.